Phil, we're at your new showroom in Burnley. Tell me all about it.
Well, we moved into this new office in November of last year, and we've spent a bit of time preparing the new showroom. So we have over 100 square metres here and all the latest technology machines.
So technically, I'm actually the first person to set foot in the showroom. And like you said, 100 square metres, so that's lots of space. What can customers expect in terms of technology here?
Well, we have the latest machines, so our i4.0 machines are here, all with scanning capability, so we're able to scan the QR codes onto tool holders and take measurement and shrink from there.
Great. So you've got 60 different varieties of power clamp shrink machines. How do customers know what they want?
Well, I think it's our job really to define the spec exactly what they need, but it's just really an illustration that we don't have one size fits all. We have, different variants to suit exactly what the customer needs.
So it's not just a showroom here though, is it? You do offer other services to your customers.
We do. I mean, we'll measure the balance quality of customers' tools. We'll do shrinking for them for trials before that they actually make the purchase. And we also use it for education for our distributors and indeed apprentices if they wanted to come.
So if you'd like to know more about Haimer's showroom, visit their website or contact them directly.